It is the 18th of July 2026 and welcome to today's Spanish A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about health data privacy. 3 other top news stories featured on linguawire.com today. First, EU presenta una moneda de $1 con Trump. The US presents a $1 coin with Trump. Next, campañas en IEUU usan bots de IA en mensajes. Campaigns in the US use AI bots in messages. And se aclara la lucha por el Senado en Estados Unidos. The fight for the Senate in the United States becomes clearer. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. ICE is the name of the US Immigration Agency. Comparte means shares, datos means data. De Medicaid means of Medicaid. Con is with. Palantir is the company name. So the headline says, ICE shares Medicaid data with Palantir. One useful pattern here is datos de Medicaid. In Spanish, de often links two nouns, like data of Medicaid, where English usually says Medicaid data. ICE recibe un archivo de Medicaid en Estados Unidos. ICE receives a Medicaid file in the United States. Recibe comes from recibir, to receive, and it gives us the core action at the start of today's story. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Después, ICE comparte los datos con Palantir. Afterwards, ICE shares the data with Palantir. Datos means information in pieces and it fits with words like archivo and es información. More examples in the lesson sheet. El archivo tiene datos de millones de personas. The file has data from millions of people. Millones signals a very large number and you can hear the pattern. Millones de personas. En mayo, un juez pausa este intercambio de datos. In May, a judge this data exchange. En mayo is a useful time connector. It places this action later in the story. Ahora, la salud está en duda. Now, health is in doubt. Today's word is salud. Say it with me. Salud. Listen for the soft final sound in Spanish. Now for the pattern of the day. Recibir, to receive. Yo recibo. Tú recibes. Él recibe. Nosotros recibimos. Vosotros recibís. Ellos reciben. The line uses the él. Form recibe. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. Who shared the Medicaid data with Palantir? Is it A. ICE, Palantir, or C. un juez? The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done! That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.